Come see castle, everyone. The original castle. Peaceful here, isn't it? Oh, it's camping here. It's been rain. Going down here. See, go see, we can walk down here. There's a original castle there. Yes, it's a flag there. Everyone is good here. I'm here to see the ruined castle called Doon Castle, and it was built in 12th century, early 12th century by Robert de Bruce, or his father. That was 819 years ago. Now we just seen there. That's where original castle used to be. Begin the 12th century. From 12th century to 15th century, a lot of things happened to the castle. The first independent Scottish war, the first independent war begins Scottish and English about 1216 to 1326, and that's first war. The castle got seized, and the second they have first independent war. Also, they have the second one as well. The second one about 1357. And that got seized as well. But 1314, Robert the Bruce took the castle back, and its long history of this castle had been chained a few hands. In 14th century, the castle had been given to the Kennedy family, and also got seized from them. They have a rival with they have falling to another person called William Douglas, and that took castle away from the Kennedy, and the Kennedy took it back. The castle took back about 1510. By the 1511, the castle was set on fire. I think by the 13th century, no, by the 15th century, the castle had been already being ruined. And I heard that the recent castle ruined, Robert King James V had ordered to destroy it, to destroy the castle for a reason that got down here. They're building a dam here, and before building the dam, the water, we had a lot of flooding and water flooding around here, and a lot of water rise, high water rise. So what they do is they removed the castle from there, and took it in 1936. Removed the castle from there and took it to build it over there, so it's high away from the dam. So the castle was set there. Yeah, set in there. before. So to move the castle and build over there. Now we go have a look, everyone. Go have a look castle that I'm talking about there. To see my way going here. That's over there. Have to walk out. Have to walk up to here. Swadika, hi everyone. We are going to see the castle now, where the original removed from over there, and now put it here. ขอบคุณมากนะคะที่ติดตามเดี๋ยวจะเอาใส่ในแปลไทยให้อ่านนะคะขอบคุณทุกท่านค่ะ Yeah, hi, everyone. This is the castle here. Loch Doon Castle was built in early 14th century on the large island in the Loch in 1335 to 36. When the water level was to be raised for the hydroelectric scheme, the castle was dismantled and re-erected here. The wall, the core, the later building were left on the partly submerged island. Despite the modest size and the simple polygonal and plan of the 14th century castle, the standard of the masonry equally that the large of the most elaborate of it is contemporary. Little are known of the history, apart from the success defense against the English siege in 1335. Yeah, okay. You go have a look, everyone. Go have a look this way. The wall you see here is 14th century. This wall here. Beautiful around here. This is the wall. The wall here, it was about done 14th century, but there also the townhouse as well. Go have a look. It's soaking wet. I should put my belly on. Wow. It's beautiful here. That's where it is. We go have a look. But we have fun entrance. This is being rebuilt. There's a bird there, small bird there. I can't see the window here. Still got a nice feature to it, you know. Look at the view. There's some structure, old plan still here. I wonder what is this? Like a well? Someone that make a barbecue in here. See the arch. Nice. That's being the view. Hi everyone, we got to have a look outside. Outside, we got to walk. We came in that way. I got to go out here and walk back that way. And just like to say, thanks very much for watching. And what I'm going to do is, seems to be quite quiet here. I send the drone up to there to see the beautiful lot and beautiful view as well. Hope you guys doing well. Thanks very much. ขอบคุณมากนะคะที่ติดตามเอาไปดูข้างหลังค่ะ Go have a look in the back everyone. Have a look in the back. That's it. It's not very big. You know, I don't know what they done with the tower. I heard a different bit and pieces. The important thing that somebody went to the museum. I told you which museum I put on the screen for you to see. There's a stone there, piling all up because they being rebuilt. I don't, you know, it's more 1936. They took away from there and built here. So, thank you everyone for watching. Very appreciate it. Very nice to be here and I hope everyone doing well. ขอบคุณมากนะคะ Thanks everyone. I hope you have a great day and I wish you all have a beautiful day. I had a great day. Thank you very much.